All right, I'm going to talk to you guys about your assignment for today and tomorrow. It is with a PhET simulation, and I wanted to show you how to get there. If you go click on the simulation, it will bring you right to the simulation. If you can't get that link to work, you can go to PhET Simulations, and you'll look up the simulation. It's called Build an Atom. And then you press the simulation. There are three things you can start with. We're going to start with the atom. If we go to our page, the first page, you're going to go to the atom screen. You're going to answer these questions about the atom. But you can build an atom by adding protons and neutrons and electrons. So I'm gonna build lithium. So lithium has 3 protons, right? I also gave it 3 neutrons and 3 electrons. So my atomic mass is my protons plus my neutrons. My atomic mass is going to be 6 in this case because I have 3 protons plus 3 neutrons. My charge is going to be a net of 0 because I have the same amount of protons as I have electrons. If I add 1 electron, which is negatively charged, I have 1 more negative charge, which makes my overall charge of my atom negative. So you can add your protons and neutrons and see how your mass number changes and your element changes and your charge changes. Okay. Once you're done with the first page, you're going to go to the symbol screen. And I'm going to make a second video for this, so I will post the video along with this one onto the assignment.